1995 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirmed miles 33,964 is what's on the odometer right now. Bright red exterior, flame red cloth interior, 5.7 liter V8 power underneath the hood, automatic with overdrive transmission paired up with that, power steering, power brakes, AC. You can see paint in nice condition as we take a look at that nose cone, hood. 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. That may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And you can do that at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Riding on the correct is Z28 Camaro wheels. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Car's been driven a little bit. I mean, it is approaching 30 years old. You might find some very small, minute little chips or something that's been touched up. Overall, this car, as you can see, extremely clean. Looks good. So there's they consider it flame red cloth interior, but obviously you can see there's plenty of gray or charcoal with it also. Center console, bucket seats. Does have the upgraded stereo system, AM, FM, CD. Also has a 6-way power driver's seat. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Take a look at the rear of the car. Something else I like to mention is that we do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. You want somebody to come take a peek at this car, can't make it yourself, to see it in person, maybe due to distance or time. Third-party inspectors, not a problem. Try to represent these as fairly as we can with all the pictures that are taken, as well as the walk-around video you're seeing here, and then of course a driving video at the end where you kind of get an idea what it's like to go down the road in this car. Again, clean Carfax, low miles, no surprises on this one. Let's go ahead and take a look at this closer look at this interior, I should say. We'll pull that one up to listen to that chime. And here you can see power locks, power windows, power mirrors, door panels in nice shape. You'll be able to see still pictures of the carpeting underneath the floor mats on our website. Make sure you check that out. So you can see very little wear, if any, in these seats. There's that power driver's seat. Also has power top. That functions as it should. It's a black fabric top. We're going to put it up here at the end of the video. You can see it does come with the 3-piece convertible top, or parade boot, I guess, if you will. And it also comes with the carrying case that goes in, that vinyl carrying case with the soft interior of it, so it protects that parade boot. All right. Tilt and cruise, of course. There's your exact miles, 33,964. I think is what I said before. Check out the gauges. Oil pressure good, battery, temp gauge. That was a cold start, obviously. Fuel gauge, all working, tack. No warning indicators, check engine lights, anything like that. Just the fact I don't have my seatbelt on. There it is, AM, FM, CD player. Be an early one, 1995. AC blows cold. Take a look at the top of the dash. Looks good. No surprises on the interior either. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. Again, 5.7 liter LT1 power. Sounds as you would expect. Let's go ahead, pop this hood. I want to check out the engine bay. See if I can get this one one-handed. May be able to. There we go. Underside of the hood and the engine bay. Looks pretty stock. I don't really notice any major modifications, anything like that. Nice and clean and tidy also. Hood struts working fine. Remember, power steering, power brakes, AC. And last but not least, let's check out that convertible top. And like I said, remember, stick around. At the end of this, you're going to see a driving video. Get an idea what it's like to go down the road in this car. And here it is with the top up. So black fabric top, cloth top. Power works as it should. In the condition you'd expect with this low a mile car. No rips, tears, holes, really much wear at all. Rear glass window, rear defogger. All looks good. And around to the passenger side. Looking good. Needed to keep you out of the sun or maybe a brief shower. Gonna work just fine. 1995 Chevrolet Camaro. A little over 33,000 miles is all in the Z28 convertible. And remember, 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price, may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. 507-386-1726. Number to call, uniqueclassiccars.com, where to check out all the still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1995 Chevrolet Camaro. Red paint with a red and white interior. This is an automatic on the center console. This is a convertible. We do have the top up right now. Very good acceleration in this car. The odometer reading 33,962 miles currently. And it does feel like a low mile car. Everything is tight. Stereo working great. Air conditioning is blowing cold right now. Just turned on the cruise control and that does work. Our temperature is approaching 180 on the temperature gauge. Battery is charging at around 14 volts and oil pressure is about 55. Tachometer and speedometer working well. Brakes working well. Comfortable cloth bucket seats in this car. These are one of the best seats for long-term comfort, at least for myself. Transmission kickdown working well. Great factory exhaust sound from this car. If I let go of the steering wheel, this car stays straight in the lane. Nice smooth ride, good road feel. Head over to uniqueclassiccars.com and check out all the pictures and read all about this car.